Are you looking for a reliable, hassle-free dumpster rental in Kendallville, Indiana? Open Container has you covered. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out the garage, or managing a construction site, we've got the correct dumpster to make your project a success. Our team provides fast, efficient, affordable dumpster rentals tailored to your needs. We offer a range of sizes to accommodate any project, big or small, with reliability you can trust. Do you need help determining which size you need? Our friendly team is here to help. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring you get the perfect dumpster for your needs, no more or less. We do the heavy lifting so you can focus on what matters most, getting the job done. Ready to simplify your cleanup? Choose Open Container for a dependable dumpster rental in Kendallville, Indiana. We ensure your project runs smoothly, from selecting the right dumpster size to quick and efficient delivery. Don't let waste hold you back. Call us today at 260-242-9376 or visit www.opencontainerinfo.com. Dumpster Rental Kendallville IN to get started. Open Container, making your cleanup easy and efficient.